Welcome to this module on the replacement and the regional continuity models. Before we get into the details, let us analyze the findings of the fossils of the modern human. First, the fossil was found in Ethiopia, later in South Africa, then in Morocco, then in Israel, followed by Australia, Borneo, and France. So I would like to tell you the continents just to remind you so that you can understand the models clearly. Now Ethiopia, South Africa, Morocco comes under African continent. So let us put A here, the African continent. Israel comes under Asia, AI. Then we have Borneo, Australia. Australia itself is a continent, and France and Borneo both come under Europe. So we have the evidences which are found in African continent, Asian continent, and also European continent, including Australia as well. Now let us get into the models. There are two models which are brought to explain the modern human's origin. According to the fossils data, it is very clear at different times, at different time periods, we are able to find different continents, the modern humans fossils. Now let us see first the replacement model. The replacement model says that first the human origin happened in the African continent, and from there it spread to Europe, and from there they have started to migrate to different parts. So the replacement model believes that the origin of the modern human started in Africa, basing on the genetic study and also the anatomical study. Now coming to here, in the regional continuity model, they believe that human origin, the modern human origin, has started or was present as a local population in different parts of the world, like Asia, Africa, and Europe. So there were local population in different places. That is the reason why they have this physical features variation. Maybe the skeletal structure is same because they are Homo neanderthalis, Homo heidelbergensis, and they have these physical feature variations. Now, most of the scientists believe that the replacement model is a fact and it could be closely to the reality, because these are assumptions that the findings of the earliest fossil was found in Africa that gave strength to the replacement model. Let us explore some more details. So the two main theories as we discussed are the replacement model and the regional continuity model. Let us see the key points here. The replacement model says that human origin is in Africa. So the humans originated here in Africa. Then the anarchic humans were replaced by the modern humans. The existing humans were replaced by the modern humans. How do you prove that? We are able to prove that because of the genetic and the anatomical homogeneity support for this view. And they also feel that the origins of the people who migrated to Asia and also to Europe, but they have their origins only in Africa. That is what this theory strongly believes. They have a single origin of the population. And the support for this is the findings of the earliest fossils which are found by the modern humans, that is from Homo in Ethiopia, also supported this view and gave strength to the replacement model. Now coming to the regional continuity model, humans evolved simultaneously in different parts of the world. The regional continuity model believes that humans have got evolved in different parts of the world from local archaic humans. Now, there is a regional difference in the features of the modern humans because of the local conditions. Now, these differences are due to there are different types of homos which are present in different parts. So, because there are different types, there are different features which are visible. There are no similarities that are found here. That is due to the differences between Homo heidelbergensis and Homo neanderthalensis. So, according to the replacement theory, they believe they have single origin, that is Africa, and according to the regional continuity model, they believe they have evolution of human happening simultaneously at different places, and that is because of the different homos being in different parts of the world. That's all we have in this module. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next.